Hello everybody, on this video we are going to talk about how can we connect SQL Server to Excel. Let's jump into the screen and look at how this can be done. Here I have a instance of SQL Server, and I have a bunch of tables that I can connect through Excel. Let me fire up Excel, and you can see this is a default screen in Excel. I can then go to data, go to database, and connect to different databases available. So on this case here, on this video, I'm going to talk about how this can be done for Microsoft SQL Server. So if you click on Microsoft SQL Server, it'll give you an option to select your database and server. So in this case here, I can go to my database, which is this. You can also type dot. That will be pointing to local machine. So if I do that, put that, you can leave database as blank, or you can just put this name here. Let me name it Control C and put that database over here and go to OK. What this will do is this will let you choose the tables. And on this case here, I am wanting to bring data for our internet sales, fact internet sales. And you can preview the data. And once you do that, you can load it in various ways. On this options here, you can see you can load the table into a database table into a Excel table, which will populate a sheet on Excel, or you could just create connection to the data, and you can create a pivot table, you can create a pivot chart, or you can create only connection and not do anything with it. In this case here, let me create a connection and add it to the data model. What it did, it queried that data and created a connection, and it loaded 60,398 rows to Excel. So then I can also add more sources so that I can create a report. I went to recent sources, and I'm going to add product table, and let me load it into the model as well. Let me create a connection, and then what I can do is I can go to the Power Pivot in here and create relationship between the tables. So this is my product dim, and this is fact internet sales. They have a common key in common. So I can join product key from fact internet sales to product key and the dim product. And it creates a relationship, and I can use SQL to create reporting based on this data. So what I can do is you can go back to Excel and create reports based on this. You can insert a pivot table from data model, click OK, and you can see there's two tables loaded into the model. So what you can do is you can expand this. You can get the product. Let's type product from the product table. Let's see, we can get product name. We can find it. All right, let's see, product name, English product name, and put it on the rows. And then you can get more data points from the fact. This is the other table. So let's pull in order quantity, and let's pull in sales amount. So this is a way you can connect Excel with a database and build report in Excel. All right, that's all for the video.